mister? Hey, little bunny. Meow. 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 Can you give me your ball? No? You were so possessive about your ball? Okay. Let's try to take the ball from Delta. Do you want your bone? How about that? How about the bone? Look at the state of the bone. Oh god. Look at the situation of the bone. Bite marks. Bite marks. This bone has been bitten very badly. Hey, handsome. Meow. Meow, meow. Yeah. Please. Please, Delta. Can you share your ball with your mama? Little share. Give the ball, please. Okay, now I'm gonna make a grab for it. Yeah. Yes. I have the ball. I have the ball. Okay, you ready to take it back? 1, 2, 3. What? Where are you going? Give me the ball. Come on. Give me the ball. Yeah. Ew, 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 ew. Look at that velociraptor mouth of his. Hey, mister. Okay, sit. Sit. Hey, sit. Ready to get your ball back? 1, 2, 3. And you are so fast, aren't you? Come on, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Delta, can you give Mama the ball? Please. No. No giving Mama any ball. You're naughty, you know that? Fine, don't give the ball. Just tell people to like, subscribe and share. Can you do that? Okay, I'll tell from Delta's behalf, that he wants everyone to like this video, to subscribe to his channel and ring the bell because Delta loves bells. And he loves everyone. Don't you, Delta Bun Bun? You love everyone. Everyone is so cute, aren't they? So, Delta will see you in his next video. Bye-bye. Okay, you're giving me the ball finally. Yay. There. He is pretty busy, so I guess we'll sign out. See you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share once again. And bye.